Welcome to Alltech, the leader in advanced machinery for road construction and repair. Today, we're introducing our latest innovation, the Alltech Microsurfacing machine, a versatile, precise, and powerful solution for your construction needs. Our microsurfacing machine is built for reliability and designed to maximize productivity. Every detail, every part of it stands for quality and dependability. This machine is a culmination of advanced features. It boasts a high-capacity aggregate hopper, automated material distribution systems, a robust power engine, and intuitive control systems. We understand that great performance should never compromise safety. Our machine comes with state-of-the-art safety features, ensuring a secure working environment under any condition. And we are not just committed to you, but also to our environment. Our machine reduces noise pollution, controls emissions, and optimizes fuel efficiency. Every feature is designed with you, the user, in mind. But it's more than just a list of features. See it in action. See how it restores the road surface swiftly and efficiently. This is what we call precision engineering. So, here it is, the ultimate combination of performance, safety, and sustainability. We build roads while caring for the planet. For more information, feel free to visit our website or call our customer service line. At Alltech, we're engineering your success.